Huh? So 3 putty sessions I opened here. Okay, 1, okay, 2, and 3 putty sessions I opened. Okay. But again, okay, so having these many putty sessions and having these many windows, okay, I mean, you will not feel comfortable actually. Okay. So instead of having separate window for each putty session, okay, we have a software which is called as empty putty. Okay. When I say empty putty, it is multi-tabbed putty. Okay, multi-tab putty. Okay, empty putty means. Okay, so here what I will do. Okay, what I will do. Okay, I will create. Okay, see here. Okay, so here I will create. Okay, so I will create a server. Okay, add server. Add server. So here server name. Okay, I will put it like, oh, what is the server name? 192.168.56.200. This is the server name. Okay, display name you change it. Okay, so okay, base VM, okay, Venkata user, base VM icon Venkata, okay, and give the username Venkata, okay, and give the password welcome one, okay, and say okay. So here, okay, what happened? If you see here, okay, there is a putty session created. Okay, now you double click on this one every time. You no need to enter password and all. Understand? So it means, okay, I'm creating a session for myself, okay, and okay, and I'm giving user ID, password, everything there only. So whenever I want, okay, so only thing is that, okay, I will switch on the virtual machine here, and okay, and I'll just log into Venkata here. Okay, so like this. Okay, so here, so SDP user root welcome one. Okay, and okay, if you do this one here, okay, so here, here, okay, base machine properties, SVM. Okay, understood, guys. So this is the base VM actually. Okay, so the base VM. So if you want to log in as root, okay, and I'll create one more session also here, okay, if you want. James. Okay, so here I'll put like James. Okay, so I can open, okay, instead of having multiple windows and confusing, okay, here, okay, you want SDP user, root, Venkata, James. Everything can be opened in a single tab actually. Okay, in a single window, but with multiple tabs. Understand? Okay, so you don't need to open 3 sessions like this. Got my point? So this will create a lot of confusion also in real time. Also, normally people will use okay, empty putty only. Okay? And in empty putty, we have one advantage here is that, okay, in empty putty we have advantage is that, okay, so whatever the servers, okay, we connect regularly, so you can create a session like this actually. You can create a sessions like this, then okay, you can use it. Okay. Clear? Are any questions now? Clear? Are any questions, guys? Okay. So now, okay, so let us play with the Venkata and James, these two. Okay, so normally whichever user log into the machine, okay, the virtual machine or the server, the first starting point for them is the home directory. Okay, so Venkata logged in, so the first starting point is home Venkata. Okay, and James logged in here, it is home James. Understand? Home James. Okay, so like this, okay, every user, okay, any user, okay, who has valid user ID and password can log into any machine in the cluster. Okay, for time being, okay, things like that. Okay, so now, okay, so let us see some more commands here. Okay. Yesterday I explained, okay, ls command. when I say ls command, home Venkata, nothing is there. Why? Looks like we deleted everything, right? Okay, so touch sample1.txt. Okay, this is sample1.txt. Did I give full path here? Only the file name.
Full path.
File name.
Only file name. Okay, when I say only file, where it will create?
Venkata.
In the home vector. In the current directory means okay, this is home Venkata is the current directory. Okay. Now you say ls, okay, so it will show only the file names. Okay. If you say ll, it will show the details also. Okay. Like okay, so read. Okay, so I mean okay, these are the these are some details about the file. Okay. So like this, okay, you can create okay whatever number of files you want. Okay. I want to create a sample2.txt. You create a sample2.txt. Okay. ll. You have second file also. Understand? Okay. So this is ll. Okay. ls-l, which is equivalent to ll. Both are same. Understand? But if you say only ls, it will show only the names. Okay. It will not show the details of okay each file. Understand? Are any questions? Understand? Are any questions?
The touch is the command.
Sorry?
Is the touch is the command also?
Which one, sir?
Touch is sample1.txt. That is touch is also a command.
Yeah, touch is the Unix command.
Touch is a command. Okay. Touch is a command to create an empty file.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Touch is a command to create an empty file. Okay. Okay. So then, okay. So let us go with the make directory. Okay. I want to create a directory here. Okay. mkdir test.dir. Okay. So you see, okay, test directory is created. Okay. Now, guys, okay. So let us take this scenario. Okay. Touch. Okay. Test directory. Okay. Sample.txt. Okay. Now tell me where it will be created. I'm giving the path. Okay, but giving the path or not?
Yes, sir.
But is it starting with the slash?
No.
No, sir.
No.
So see, normally the path should start from okay, the path should start from slash. Then only it will come from okay here starting. Okay, but here okay, when I say if I don't use any slash, okay, if I give just test directory, then what it will think, okay, so I need to create, okay, in the current directory, test directory, in the current folder, okay, test directory, under that I need to create, okay, now where sample3.txt will be created?
In test directory.
Okay, ll, test directory, now you can see sample3.txt under this. Clear? Are any questions? Clear? Are any questions? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the next one is okay. So RM file. Okay. RM means okay. So RM. Okay. So this will delete the sample3.txt.
My card
Please. Okay. RM will delete a file. Okay. If I want to delete a directory, RM-R. Okay. Test directory. This is one way. Otherwise, RM-dir test directory. This is also one more way. Okay. So this is telling test directory is not important because the previous command has already deleted this one. Okay. So this is the delete directory. Okay. So then I can copy a file. I want to copy a file. Okay. I want to copy a file. CP is the command. Sample2.txt. I want to copy it like sample3.txt. Okay. Now you see I have sample2 and I have sample3 also. Okay, and I want to rename a file. Okay, so rename the file means you can move sample3 to sample3_new. Now you see sample3 has been renamed as sample3_new. Got it or any questions? Okay, move is a command to move a file. Okay, from one place to other place or to rename a file. For both the purposes, you will be using mv command. Okay. And okay, I want to copy a file from one place to other place, one server to other server. Okay, one place to other place. This is fine. Okay, CP. Okay, and okay, you can copy. Okay, CP sample2.txt to /tmp. Okay, then where it will be copied? Where it will be copied? Yes, I'm copying sample2.txt to
Under temp.
Okay, so the sample2.txt will be will be shown under temp directory. Now if I say ll temp directory, now you can see sample2.txt. Okay, and it is created on March 9, 7/14. Just now it is created. Got it. There are some other files, but okay, still okay, our file is here, right? Okay. So then, okay, if you want to copy data across servers, it means okay, one virtual machine to other virtual machine, or one server to other server. In that scenario, okay, normal CP will not work. Okay. So you will have to use SCP. SCP means server copy. Understand? Okay. So you have to use server copy command to copy data from one server to other server. Got it? Got it, guys. Normally, if you want to copy, okay, so suppose okay, I want to copy sample1.txt to temp directory. This is the command that I will give. Okay. But I want to copy sample1.txt to different server. Okay. So I will use SCP sample1.txt. Here you give the server name 192.168.56. Okay. Let's say 201. 201. Okay. So at the rate, at the rate, no, colon, okay, colon, give the path here. Okay, what is the path? Okay, where you want to copy? Okay, I want to copy under class TMP. So now tell me where this will be copied, guys. Where this will be copied?
201 server temp.
201 server.
Temporary directory.
Okay, 201 server is not available. So this command will fail. Okay, last connection. Okay, so okay, do this one only. Here, I'm copying to the same server. I'm using server copy to copy file from the same one server to one server into the same server. Okay, now it is asking password. Welcome one. You know, is it copied or not? Okay, you can use SCP command to copy file from one place to other place. Clear?
But it will ask for password, yes, in this case.
Yes.
Venkat?
You need to enter that the server's other server's password. Then only
Okay.
it will allow you. Otherwise, no.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So what next here? Move. I have shown you a link. What is link? Is okay. So okay. Normally, okay. So if you see this one, okay. So normally you get a shortcut, right? What is shortcut in Windows? Create shortcut. What is this shortcut?
Accessing file, original file will somewhere else, but the
Okay,
you can
so
access the file from
now,
there.
okay, okay, think like this, guys. Okay, so I have a file in, D drive, okay, E drive. Okay, this is the file. Okay, sample.txt. Every time if I want to open this one, I need to go open Windows Explorer. I need to go there. Instead of that one, what I will do, I'll right click on this one. Okay, I'll create shortcut. Okay, I'll create a shortcut. Okay, and I'll put this shortcut in my desktop. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Now you see, okay, whenever I want to open, I'll open directly. I'll double click on this one. Okay, do I need to open Internet Explorer and all? No. Okay, so shortcut will point to the main file here. Okay, so if I double click on this one, finally it will open the main file. Got it. That is shortcut actually. Okay, so if you want to create a shortcut in Linux, we have a command here. Okay, ln -s. Okay, this is the shortcut. Okay, link ln means link command. Okay, -s means shortcut. Okay, so you need to give the source sample1.txt. Okay, what is the shortcut name you want? Okay, sample1.shortcut. Okay, now you see. So now sample1.shortcut is pointed to sample1.txt. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
S
So-
is for soft link, right, sir?
Yes,
S
sir.
is for-
Yes. Okay. So here, okay. So when I say cat shortcut, okay, finally it will bring the content in sample1.txt. Of course, sample1.txt nothing is there, so it is not printing anything. But actually, if you print the shortcut, it will print the main file. Understand?
Venkat, we can put this shortcut anywhere, like
Anywhere, sir.
See,
Yes,
we-
sir. Okay. Let's say I
Okay.
want to put this in. So I want to get a shortcut under class TMP directory.
Mhm.
Wherever you want, you can create.
Okay, got it. But it will point to the original file.
Exactly.
Anyway.
So this will point to now. Okay, if you see here, okay, ls last time. Okay. So sample1 dot shortcut, which is pointed to where? Pointed to where? Sample1 dot txt. Got it?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Next, that is soft link. Okay, so then cat. Okay, if you want to see the content of a file, you can use the cat command. Cat command will print the content of the file on the screen. Are you clear? Cat is a command to print the content on the screen. Okay. Then more. Okay, let's say I have a big file, guys. Okay, I have a big file. I want to see page by page. Suppose now I have 10 lines, 10 pages. I have a file with 10 pages. Okay. So here, when I say cat, it will print the content on the screen. Okay. What in case, if the file, if the sample1.txt is having 100 pages. Got my point? So here, the sample.txt file is very small. That is the reason it is printing everything on the screen. Okay. But if the sample.txt is 100 pages file, then what will happen? Okay. Everything will go up like this. You cannot see the first page. You can't see the first page. You can see only the last few lines. Okay. So now, if you want to see the data from first page to last page, you can use more. Okay. When you say more, it will print page by page. Check it, will give page 1. Okay. Understand? Page 1, page 2, page 3, like that. Okay. It will show you. Okay. So these are some commands which you will use. Okay. Okay. Now, you will use to play with the files. Okay. So the next one is okay. So some more commands. Okay. So head. Okay, so head is a command. Okay. So I want to see. Okay. I want to see first 2 lines of sample1.txt. Okay. What I will do? First 2 lines. Why it is? But it is showing 6 lines, right? But actually, this entire thing is one line. Understand? Since there is no space, okay, so it is printing on the screen like this actually. Okay, but actually this entire thing is one line. Understand? Okay, otherwise, okay, so okay. So now you see. Now if I say head-2, okay, is it printing only first 2 lines or not? If you say head-10, you print first 10 lines. Understand? If you put a head-100, it will print first 100 lines. Right, okay. So if you want to see only the first 2 lines, then you can use head command. Okay. Okay. So here you need to give the number. Okay. So hyphen, that number should be with starting with hyphen and give the number. So that will create a that will print the content based on your requirement. Okay. In the same way, I want to print the last few lines. Okay. So you can say -2. Okay. -2 sample1.txt. It is printing last 2 lines. So this is one line, this is another line, the one empty line and one line with content. Okay, it is printing last 2 lines. Okay, if you want to print last 5 lines, okay, you can print last 5 lines. This is one line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Understood or any questions?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
So, okay, let's say I want to print. Okay, so tilf. Okay, so there's something called okay tilf-, okay, to sample1.txt. Okay, when I said tilf-2, see is okay. If you see the previous commands and all, okay, so once okay, I mean once they print the content, they came out. But now you see, okay, is it coming out? Whenever okay, you add new content here, okay, it will automatically print that content here. Tilf means okay, if you want to see the continuous progress of the file, the new data is coming and adding to this file, so you want to see the continuous progress of the file, continuous data in the file. You can use tilf. Okay.
So in this case, how will you come out from this?
Control C. Okay, so any command, if you want to cancel, okay, you need to press Control plus C.
Okay, got it.
Is the command okay to come out. Okay. So then okay, so you have something called DOS to Unix. Okay. So normally, guys, okay, so let's say you created one file in Windows machine. Okay. Can I use the same file in Linux machine also? Huh?
Yep.
Okay, so most of the times it will work, but okay, so but at times what will happen? Okay, so when you copy the file, okay, from Windows machine to Linux machine, okay, that the file may contain some special characters which will be understood only in Windows, not in Linux. Okay, so if any file is containing any special characters and all, because if you want to convert that to pure Linux format, okay, you will use DOS to Unix. DOS to Unix is the command okay, to convert a file from DOS format to DOS means Windows format to Unix format. DOS to Unix, yes, converting file into Unix format. Okay, converting file into Unix format doesn't mean that okay, so okay, doesn't mean it will change the content of the file. Okay, what it will do, if there are any special characters, okay, which can be understood by Windows, okay, such special characters will be deleted by this command. 1 second. Clear? Okay, so that is DOS to Unix. Okay. So the next one is MD5 sum value. What is this MD5 sum value, guys? We have these many files. Okay, so MD5 sum of sample1.txt. What is this MD5 sum value?
So
The
this
certificate.
represents the uniqueness of the file, sir.
Okay, so every file, okay, every file stored on the disk, okay, will have one MD5 sum value. Okay, this is called as a checksum value. Okay, and this number will be created purely based on the content of the file. Okay, tomorrow there is a requirement for you. Okay, so they have given you two files, guys. Okay, sample1.txt, sample1.txt. Okay, they are asking you to check whether these two files are same or not. Since the names are same, can I say okay, both are same? Huh?
No, sir. We have to look into content also.
Content. So take like this, guys. Okay, so this is the
Also, in case, sir, if any corruption has happened, like we want to download some file and we want to check whether it is correct or not, so we can use this.
okay, sir. Okay. So let's say this name of this file is file1.txt. Okay. Name of this file is file2. Okay, the name of this file also file1.txt. Okay, but this is in one location, this is another location. So the content can be different or same, right? So okay, this is the content. Okay, this can be having. Okay, how are you? Okay, since the names are same, doesn't mean the content also same, right? When I will say both the files are same, name should be same. Okay, content also should be same. Okay, even the names are not matching. Okay, so content should be same. Then only you will say both are same files. Okay, but in sometimes okay, what will happen? Okay, so it is difficult to understand. Okay, so the size. Okay, so also the size is equal to say here size equal to 1 GB. Okay. Here also size is 1 GB. Okay. Name is matching, size also matching. Can I say okay, both are same? No, right? No, right? Yes, size is matching and like a name also matching. So you cannot say okay, both are same because the content is different. Okay. So based on the content, okay, so how will you say that okay, these two files are same files or not? Okay, based on the checksum value. Okay, so each file will have a checksum value like this actually, based on the content. Okay, so here window size is same, file name is same. Okay, so checksum value. This is the checksum value. This is the checksum value. Okay, this can be different. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. This checksum value is different. This checksum value is different. If you have any doubts, okay, I can show you. Okay. Now, okay, let us cat sample1 dot. This is the content of sample1 dot. Correct or not? This is the content. Okay, and take the MD5 sum value. This is the MD5 sum value. Okay. So now what I will do, I will open this sample1 dot file. Okay. I will just insert one extra space. One space I inserted. Understood, guys? Now if I say cat, one extra space I inserted. Correct or not? Huh? Now if I say MD5 sum value, now you see both are same. Huh?
No, sir.
Both are same.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is different and this is different. Okay. Just for one space. Yes or no? Just for one space. Okay. Now, okay, again, okay, what I will do, okay, I will remove the space. I remove the space. Now, okay, I will say MD5 sum. Okay. Is it giving the first number? D1AA63. D1AA63. Correct or not? If I remove the space, okay, it is giving the whole number.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. So it means, okay, so MD5 sum value, which is nothing but a checksum value. Okay. So every hard disk will maintain the checksum value. Using this checksum value only, okay, so hard disk will identify whether there is any corruption happened on the file. At times, what will happen? Okay, so due to some bad sectors, there may be some corrections happen on the file. Okay, so to avoid that, okay, each hard disk, okay, will store, or each storage will store the checksum value of a file. Okay, for sure. Okay, so that, okay, so hard disk will use this value to check whether there is any corruption happened on the file or not. Clear? Okay. So those are the majorly or commonly used file commands, guys. Okay. So the next one is file permissions. What is this file permission, guys? What is the file permission? Okay. So normally, okay, so let us take this scenario. Okay. See here, okay, we have created, okay, some users, right? Remember, okay, these are the different users what we have in the Linux machine. Okay, so these are the users I have. Okay, now I created a file here. Okay? So let us say I created a file. Okay, what is the file here? Sample1.txt. This is the sample1.txt is my file. Okay, so here if you see the permissions, okay, what are the permissions? Okay, here. Okay, what do you mean a permission here, guys? Okay, see here. Okay,
Reading,
so,
writing.
okay, so can you see this one? Okay, every file has 10 digits here. Okay, 10 characters here. Okay, okay. The first one we'll talk about whether it's a file or a directory or a soft link. Okay, so here it is starting with the L. What does it mean? Huh?
File.
Link.
Here
Soft
L
link.
means it is a soft link. Soft link. Okay, so here we have something called hyphen. Okay, hyphen means it's a file. This also hyphen, it's a file. Okay, this also hyphen, it's a file. Okay, but here it is starting with the D. Okay, so what does it mean?
Directory.
Okay, so this is how you will identify. Okay, this is how you will identify what is shortcut. Okay, what is file, what is directory. Okay. Now let us take this scenario. Okay. Any shortcut or any file or any directory, you will have permissions. What do you mean of permissions, guys? Let us take this scenario, guys. Okay. I have some passwords. Okay. Gmail password. Okay. So my laptop password, all those things. Okay. So now I'm putting all those things into a password file. Okay. Let's say I'm creating a file. Okay. So touch passwords. Okay. So this is the passwords file. Okay. This is the passwords file. Okay. Now I'll open this one. Okay. Okay. I'll put in temp location at this moment. Okay. Okay. At this moment, okay, I'll put it in a temp location. Okay. So touch. Okay. HTML passwords. My passwords. Understand? Okay. So where I created this file in a temporary location. Okay. So now if I see ll temp, can I see my passwords? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I say ll temp, okay, can I see my passwords? So what in case, okay, if James also logged into the same machine, right? If we type the same command, he will also see my file. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will also see the file entry. So it means, okay, see, James is trying to see the content of temp directory, and Venkata also trying to see the content of temp directory. Both are able to see this. Okay. So now, okay. Otherwise, okay, what I will do of this one, okay, I will create a directory mkdir/tm/Venkata. Okay. So what is the directory here I created, guys? What is the directory I created? Okay, LL. Okay, there's a directory I created here. What is the directory name? Venkata. This is the directory I created. Okay, this is the directory I created. Okay. Now the same directory can be seen by this guy also. Okay. So here I could see the Venkata directory. Okay. Now inside this directory, I'm creating a file. Okay. /tmp Venkata. So my passwords. This is the file I created. Okay. Now, okay, I will open this file. I put my passwords. Okay. In Gmail. Okay. I will put okay, STF1234. Okay. And then laptop. Okay. 56. Okay. So DFDS. Okay. Like this. Okay. I stored okay. Bank. Okay. SBI bank. Okay. I will put okay. 6768. Okay. I put okay, my passwords like this. Passwords are pins. No. Okay. Now I saved my file. Okay. What is the guarantee that okay James cannot see this one? Now okay. So now cat what okay James is trying to do now? What James is trying to do? What file he is checking?
To see the contents of my password.
My passwords. Is it working for him?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means okay if I create a password file, okay, even James also able to see my passwords. But is it a secured way of creating password file?
No, sir.
Not secure.
Okay, so it means okay, how can I safeguard okay? Safeguard myself okay that okay nobody else should see my passwords. How?
We can restrict the access, sir.
Okay, we need to restrict the access. Well, how I can restrict the access here? Okay. LL. Okay. Venkata. Okay. So here there is a file called my passwords. Okay. My passwords. This is the file. Okay.
You can
So,
give read write execute to yourself and others you
yes,
can
sir, yes,
give.
sir. Okay.
Yeah,
So
nothing.
here if you see this one first entry is talking about a file. This is a file definitely. Okay. What are the rest 9 entries, guys? Okay. So here if you see permissions, first F1 okay, is talking about okay, file. Okay. And okay, after that okay, you have things. Okay. So I will divide this into three parts. Okay. So I'll put these 3. Okay. Here, I'll put these 3 here. I'll put these 3 here. Okay. Understand, guys? Understand or not? Okay.
Yes,
Here, okay. In this
Yes, sir.
9 entries, I divided 3 entries. First 3 here, second 3. Okay. Last 3. Okay. First 3, second 3, and last 3. Are you clear or any questions?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, so here these are the which talks about the permissions on this file. Okay. So now, okay, here the first 3 will talk, okay, the owner permission. The first 3 will talk about, okay, owner permission. Yeah, owner permissions. Okay. Second 3 will talk about group permission. Okay. Third one will talk about other permissions. Okay. Now, okay, who is the owner for this file, guys? Who is the owner for this file?
Who created file?
Who created this file? Okay. So here, okay, the first name is like owner of this file. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay, owner of this file. Okay, so Venkata is the owner of the file. Okay. Okay. What is the group of this file? So the second name is deep admin is the group. Okay. And who are the others here? Okay. So now these are my total people, guys. These are my total people. Okay. So owner is Venkata. Okay. Group is, okay, this group. Okay. Who are the others? Now,
Anyone else from
except the selection, all become others. Understand? All become others except this selection. Okay. Root also will become others. Okay. BLR group people also will become others. HYD group people also will become others. People, Pulsar people. Okay. All become others. Understand? Understand or any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So others means, okay, except, okay, the owner, except the group, okay, rest all will become others. Okay. Except owner and group. Okay, rest all, okay, will become others. Okay. Now, what are the permissions, okay, we have? Owner has on this one. Owner has R means read permission. Okay. Owner has, okay, read permission. Okay. W means write permission. Write permission. Okay. The last one is hyphen means, okay, no execute. No execute permission. Okay. Okay. It means, okay, so whoever is the file owner here. Okay. So for my passwords. Okay. So whoever is the owner is Venkata here. Okay. So Venkata can read this file. It means he can see what is there inside this file. Okay. And, okay, Venkata can modify this file also. Understand? Venkata can modify this file also. Okay. And, okay, so he does, okay, it is not a script, okay, to execute actually. Okay. So no execute permission. Okay. But, okay, so now except Venkata, so here, okay, Hadoop admin group. Okay. So Hadoop admin group means who are the people? These 4 people. Yes or no? Okay. So in that, okay, Venkata is there means, okay, remove Venkata. Except Venkata, okay, these are the people, these 3 people. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. So what permission these 3 people are having? They have only read permission. Okay. Only read, no write. If one means, okay, okay, no write, no execute. Okay. See, the first letter will talk about, okay, read permission. Second letter will talk about write permission. Third letter will talk about execute permission. Okay. So group people means, okay, HTTP user, Venkata Venu. These people are having a read permission, but no write and no execute permission. Okay. Others, it means, okay, except these 2, okay, except this set. Okay. All others also having read permission. Correct or not? Correct or not, guys? Okay. So here read, no write, no execute. Okay. It means, okay, now tell me here games. Okay. Games comes under which list? Owner list or group list or others list? James. James is here.
Others list.
Okay, others list. Okay. What permissions others are having?
Only read.
They can read the file.
Read permission. Okay. So in that scenario, so since, okay, others has read permission, okay, James is able to see the data here. But, okay, James modify this file.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So here what it is saying? Warning. Changing a read-only file. Why James is not having permissions? Why James is not having permissions here?
We don't have other, don't have permission, only
James
read.
is another group, sir.
No. Okay, so if you see, James comes under others. Okay, others. Okay, for others. Okay, do they have right permission?
No, only read
No,
permission.
sir.
Okay, others doesn't have right permission. Okay, only they can read. Okay, so if Venkata modify the file, he can see the modified content. But okay, James cannot open this file and change the modifications. He cannot delete any data inside it, or he cannot put any new data inside it. He cannot modify anything inside it. Only thing is that he can see the data. Okay. So now I want to restrict James to not to see this data. Then what I need to do? I want to restrict. Okay. So except these people, nobody else should see, because these are all okay. So my team people, my team people can see my file, but not others.
So remove the permission for others.
Remove for permission for others. It means if I make like this,
0
okay.
will be, yes.
Okay, if I make like this, what will happen? Others no permission. Okay, now James comes and others. Okay, James doesn't even have read permission also. Okay, so how can I make this one here? Okay, if I want to make this one, okay, what I need to do? Okay, what I need to do? I need to change the permissions here. Okay, so LL. This is the file. Okay, so ch mod. It means permissions. Okay, chmod. Okay, what permissions I need to give? What permission? Owner. For owner, what permission I should give? Owner, read, write. Yes or no? Okay. Group, read.
So 650, 640 also we can give.
Okay, I'll tell you, sir. And others. Others. Okay. Can I give like this? No.
Sir, this should be done by user Venkata, right?
Okay. This should be done by user Venkata because he is the owner, right?
Sir, I think so that hyphen will not be there.
Sir,
Sir, only we can write O plus RW.
yeah. Sir, 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 for both owner and others, you are writing O plus only. How it will differentiate who is owner and who is other.
Okay. That's 1 second. Okay.
So better we can give numbers, sir.
No. Okay. We should explain both, sir. Okay, both actually.
640, yes. That's the convenient way we use actually. We don't use this way actually.
Okay. Mode, okay. With page mode with user and group.
Equal, sir. Put equal.
Okay, equal to na.
Also.
Sage mode. Sage mode. Okay. User plus RW. We should not use space, so that's the problem. Okay, so understood, guys. Now,
So owner is the user.
So, okay. What are the premises I've given? U means owner. Okay, O means others. Okay. So how I have given, guys? This is what I have given now. Okay, this is what I have given. Okay. So here, user read write permission. Group people read permission. For others, no permission. Okay. Now you see this file. No, not changed. Okay, now you see. That's okay. So I remove this one minus.
Sir, in group R is already there. So again, you are adding R into it. Sir, you can write G equals to R.
RW, comma, G minus W. Now you see. Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is correct, right? Now you read, write, execute, go. Okay. Thus, so this is what I'm giving is. This is what the permissions I'm giving. Okay. So what are the permissions I've given? Okay. As per these permissions, now if you see this one, LL. Okay. So user has read, write, and execute permission. Okay. Group has read permission. Others, no read, no write, no execute. Correct or not? No read, no write. Huh? And no execute. Okay. Now you see earlier, okay, James was able to read this, right? Now, okay, James type. Okay. What James is getting?
Permission denied.
Permission denied. Okay, James is getting permission denied issue. Okay, why permission denied? Because okay, now James comes under others. Okay, for others, okay, you controlled, okay, with no access. Okay, and guys, again, okay, so going with this X, going with okay, user, okay, like this group, like this, okay, others like this, okay. So don't you think it is confusing? Definitely it is confusing. Okay, so instead of that one, okay, what we can do, we can go with like this also. Normally, if you see read permission for read, okay, they will give 4 points. For write, they will give 2 points. Okay. For execute, they'll give 1 point. Okay. So now, okay. So these are the points. Okay. If I'm giving, okay, 4 means what does it mean? If the value is 4, what does it mean?
Read, write, permission.
Read permission.
Read only, sir.
Only read. Okay. If value is 2, what does it mean?
Only
Only write access. Only write access. Yes or no? If value is 1,
execute permission.
is having execute permission. Okay. If the value is 3,
Write and execute permission.
Right and
execute. Okay. Value is 4.
Only read permission.
Only read. Value is 5.
Read and
Read and write. Read and execute.
Read and execute. Value is 6.
Read and write.
permissions.
Read and write. Okay, value is 7.
All permissions.
Read, write, and execute all the permissions. Understood, guys? Okay.
If you give 9, sir.
You cannot give 9, right? Okay, 7 is the max.
Okay.
7 is the max.
Okay.
Okay. If you give 0, you can give 0. 0 means
No permission.
no permissions. Okay. So it means, okay, see, whatever I did here, same thing can be done using ch mode. Instead of struggling so much like this, I can say, okay, I want to do read write access. When I say read write, what does it mean? 6. Okay. First 6 is for user. Okay. Second one, I want to give only read access for others. 4. Okay. Sorry, group. Okay. For others, 0 access, no access. 640. It's also same thing. So 640 is nothing but this one. Okay. So you can give octal numbers also here. Okay. 6 means read write. 4 means read. Okay. And so 0 means others permission. For others, 0 means others don't have read permission, write permission, execute permission. Understand? Got it? So instead of struggling like this, okay, go with the numbers also. Okay. So this is how you will secure, guys. You will secure the. Now, if James try to read this data, okay, it will fail. No. Okay, but still okay. Now I will log in as HTTP user. Okay, HTTP user. Okay, can HTTP user read this data? HTTP user means he is part of. HTTP user is part of this group, right?
Yes, sir. Main group.
Group is having. The group is having. What is the permission group is having? Group is having read permission. Group people, whoever is under this group, okay, they all have read permission. Okay. Now if HTTP user, okay, if you see, you can see read the content. Yes or no? So even HTTP user also should not see my passwords, right? Even my group people also should not see my passwords, because I put all my Gmail password, okay, laptop passwords, okay, bank pin number, all those things I put. Okay, so very sensitive data, right? Okay, I want to restrict even others in my team also, in my group also. What to do? So for others means second.
600.
Yes. 600. Then what will happen? Now you see. Now what are the permissions for my passwords file? What are the permissions? Okay. See, the first 3 is for user. User means Venkata. Okay. User has read write. Venkata has read write permission. Okay. So second set of 3 is for group. For group people, what they can do? Can they read?
No.
No. Can they read? No. Can they execute? No. They cannot do anything. Okay. And okay, the last 3 is for others. Okay. Others also. No permissions. Now you see. Okay. Even for HTTP user also, what is the error it is showing?
Permission didn't say no permission.
James is completely others. Okay, so he cannot see. Okay, James cannot see. Okay, HTTP user is part of this team. Okay, part of this team, but he cannot see. Okay, so this is how you will restrict the user's case. This is how you will restrict.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir.
Sir, can we give permission to a specific person?
Specific?
Specifically, we can able to give permission to a person.
Yes, sir. Okay, you can give using ACLs. Okay, so we have a concept called ACLs, access control list. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will explain that again in the later stages, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so you understood this question. Okay, sir. Okay, in my group I have 4 people, not for all people. Okay, let's say I want to give access to Venu. Okay, let Venu see my data. Okay, so I can give access to only Venu. Okay, even though he's part of our group, even though our group is not having read permission, but still I can give access to Venu. Okay, so that comes under ACLs. So we don't need to worry about that now.
How LDAP will work, Venkat, in real time?
Sorry?
How LDAP will work in real time. LDAP authentication, yes, we will give.
Yes, sir. Okay, so, sir, okay, LDAP again, it's a new security concept which I'll be covering in the security part. Okay, it's completely. See, people may get confused if I start talking about
Okay,
LDAP.
sir.
all those
Okay,
things.
got it.
Please don't mind. Okay, and okay, so I can see some questions in the chat also, Nandini, madam. Okay, so what is the difference between LL, LS? Okay, LS hyphen L. Okay, okay. Let us see this one, guys. LL. Okay, LS means okay. So here, okay. Okay, I can show you. Yesterday I've shown you this one. I don't know whether you followed me or not. Okay. See now, if you see this one, okay, here, okay, these are the files I have. Okay, along with this file, okay, I have date modified, okay, type, okay, and the size of the file. All those things I have. Okay, but I want to see only the folder names and okay, file names. Then what I will do, I'll just say list. When I say list, okay, it is giving me plain names. Okay, but I want to see the details also. Okay, I can select on view details. Okay, so it means okay, so ls means it will give the just plain names. Okay, ls it will give plain names. This is the plain names of my files. Okay, ll means it will give okay each file and okay some details about the files also. Okay, ls hyphen l which is equivalent to ll. LL and LS-L both answer same output they'll give. Some people will use LS-L, some people will use LL. It's up to them. Okay, so that is okay. Again, okay, you want to list okay all the files based on the time actually time you created. Okay, now you see here. Okay, so I want to sort based on the time we created. Okay, I want to put all the latest file at the top and okay old files at the end. Okay, ls-lt. Okay, now you see. Okay. Now you see, is it sorted or not? 710. Okay, the file which got created at 710 came first. 713, 718, 731, 34, 35. The old file has come at the end, okay, and the new file has come. Oh, old file has come at the starting, and the new file has come at the end. Latest file has come at the end. So if you want to sort, okay, you can sort like this actually. Okay, so these are the different options what you will use, okay, to sort the data based on the time. Okay, understand? That's one thing. Okay. Something you asked sticky bits. Even I didn't understand what is that sticky bits and where you have seen that. Okay. And yes, okay. When it comes to file permissions, okay, so here chmod, okay, octal. Okay, octal means okay, you can go with the normal permissions or okay, octal
Sir, one doubt,
permissions.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in LL and LS minus L, we cannot view hidden files, no?
Yes, sir. Okay, you cannot view hidden files. Okay, if you want to view hidden files, ls-al. You can see hidden files also. Now you see, if I remove A, it's showing only how many files it is showing. 6 files it is showing. Okay, but if I show this one, it is showing okay, even dot. These are the hidden files. Any file starting with dot is a hidden file. Understand?
Sir, but we cannot use any combination in LL-A.
No, LL-AL. LL-A. Right?
We can use. Okay.
Okay. -A means all files. Okay, including hidden files. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So chmod. Okay. So 777 means okay, full permission for
All the
user. Okay, group and others also. Okay. So then okay, change ownership actually. Okay. So now if you see this file LL. Okay. Who is the user or owner for this file, guys? Venkata. Okay. Can I change it? I want to change the okay. So Venkata and okay, group is this one. I want to change the different group here. Okay. CH ownership. Okay. CH own. It means it will change the owner. Okay. So CH owner. Okay. So this is the file to whom I need to change. Okay. I'll change it to James. Here, new ownership operation is not permitted by this guy. Okay. So he cannot change the ownership. He cannot put his file on different person name. Okay, but okay, for this one you require sudo. Special permissions you require. Sudo ch1 James. Okay, now you see ll. Who is the owner of this file? Huh?
James.
James. Okay. Then the same way, okay, I want to change it to sudo change group also. Okay. ch group. Okay. So I want to change it to blr group. This file. Now you see who is the group here. If I want to change it, okay, you can use. If you want to change the owner, you can use change owner, ch1, and if you want to change the group, you can use chgrp. Understand? Understand? Or any questions?
Sir, but
Yes, sir.
whenever we are using sudo, then only it's changing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For this, okay, you should have special permission to change the ownership and permissions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so you can use ch1, chmod, commands to change the permissions and ownership. Okay. And if I want to change recursively means I want to change permissions for a directory and all the files inside the directory also. You can use -R. If I use capital R. Okay, so it means it says I'm giving only one file. If you give a directory, it will change the permissions, or change the group, or change the ownership for all the files under the directory. Understood? Okay. So for entire folder, I want to change the permissions. You can change it. For entire group folder, I want to change the owner. For entire folder, I want to change the group. You can do it. Okay, using -R. If you give -R at the end, it is like recursive change of permissions or owners or groups. Okay. Next, these are the file permissions related. Okay. System information.
Sir, special, did you just now spoke?
Huh?
Special access control command.
ACLs. Access controls, I will show you, I mean, as part of our course, sir.
Okay.
I'm not showing now. Okay. Clear?
Clear, sir, clear.
Yeah. Okay. So, and then very important commands, guys, especially for us. Okay, these are very, very important commands. Okay. So I want to see the system date. You will type a command. When you type date command, it will show you. So when is your what to say? Just 1 second.
So Venkat, in means ownership and all, we will not change frequently nowadays because of other authentication methods. Correct? Is this correct, Venkat?
Sorry, sir.
So ownership and group and all, we will not change frequently nowadays because of other authentication methods like LDAP or
Yes, sir.
ACL.
Yes, sir.
We're telling.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
But these are basics we should know, correct?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Linux basics we should know. Okay.
Got it,
So,
sir.
okay. So here date is a command which will show the date, system date time now. Okay. This virtual machine or physical server date time. So okay, March 9th, okay, Wednesday, March 9th, and okay, 8/7. Okay. So and IST means Indian Standard Time. This is Indian Standard Time, and this is the year. Okay. And okay, the next command is pop command. Okay. So okay. So here I will show Linux command, I'll show Windows command also, and Windows command also. Understand, guys? Windows, what you will do normally? So see the date. in the right bottom corner. Here you can see the date and time. Wednesday, March 9th, okay, 2022, and okay, time is 8:09 a.m. Okay, this is how okay you can see the date. Okay, and okay, now okay, top command. What is this top command? Which is equivalent to task manager. In Windows, okay, we have task manager, right? What is this task manager? It will show you all the running applications and background process. In the same way, here also when I type top, okay, so this is kind of a task manager for Linux machine. Understand? Here you can see each and every service. Okay, so how much okay memory is using, how much RAM is okay, virtual memory is using. Okay, so all these things, how much CPU is using. Okay, all this information can be seen here. Can be seen here. Okay, in the same way you are seeing here, right? So here also you are seeing the same thing, right? Okay, how much percentage? Okay, how CPU, how much memory, how much disk, how much network, all those things. Okay, you are seeing here. All those things you are seeing here. Okay, so in the same way, okay, here also you can see. Okay, so understand this. Okay, so we want to sort. Okay, shift M, then it will sort by memory. Okay, so who is okay, shift M means okay. So here, okay, if you want to see, okay, who is taking more memory, just if you click on this one, then it will show you like okay, so here Google Chrome is taking almost okay 1 GB or more than 1 GB of memory. Okay, understand? Okay, in that way, okay, you can sort. Okay, you can see what are the top processes which are taking more and more memory. Clear? Or any questions?
So Venkat, after stop command, we are hitting shift M to sort it out.
Exactly.
Inside the same. Okay, okay,
Yes,
got
yes.
it.
Okay, and now if you come out of this command, this is a continuous command actually. Press Control C, you will come out. Okay, understand? Okay, then uptime. Okay, normally, okay, I don't know what is the command in uptime. So here, if you say uptime, this will show you when the system is started. Okay, so when the system is started, okay, up from last 1 hour 8 minutes. Understand? Okay, okay, so this is up from last 1 hour and 8 minutes. Okay, because okay, I started this virtual machine at 7:04. Now 8:12. So it is showing like okay, 1 hour 8 minutes. Okay, how many users are logged in here? How many users logged in to this machine? So Venkata logged in, James logged in, HTP is logged in. 3 people logged in. That is the reason it is showing like okay, 3 people logged into this machine. Okay, and okay, what is the load average? Okay, load means okay, what is the load? System load. Okay, so here you can see the load rate performance. So this is the load. Okay, so how much percentage of CPU it is getting used? Okay, so in Windows, okay, you can see the graphs and all here. Okay, but in Linux, okay, so this is how okay, you will be seeing. Understood? Load on the system 0. Okay, 0.1, 0.5. Okay, okay, so this is okay. Current, okay, 5 minutes back. Okay, now okay, 1 minute back, 5 minutes back. Understood? Current load, 1 minute back load, 5 minutes back load. This is the
basically uptime will give when this was started. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this is the current date time. Okay, so you need to understand, guys. Okay, so for what information we need to use what command. Okay, so this is uptime command. Okay, so uptime command also. So similarly, the information, okay, uptime command again, okay, task manager only will help. Okay, task manager here. Processes. Okay, so here, performance. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, performance. Okay, so here, uptime, can you see here from when this is up? Understand this? From 6 hours, it is up and running. Got it or any questions?
Sir, if it is running from past 2 days, will it show the date as well? Along with time?
Of course, yes, right? If it's showing, okay, so from past 4 days, then it will show like 72 hours, okay, 96 hours.
Okay.
Okay. Performance. Okay. So then next, okay. So W. Okay. So W will tell who and all logged into this machine. Okay. Just if you say W, who and all logged in here. Who are the people logged in here? I told 3 people. Who are those people? SDP user, Venkata, James. These are the 3 people. Understood? Okay. So what time they log in? Okay. SDP user logged in at 7:56. Venkata logged in at 7:07. Okay. James logged in at 7:08. Okay. Understood? Understood? Are any questions? Like how much idle time? 16 minutes. Okay. 16 minutes. Okay. Okay. This is about, okay, W. Okay. So this also will show you information like, okay, so uptime information, whatever uptime information you are seeing, okay, the same information will be shown here also. Okay. And along with this users.
What is the PTS and from?
I'm not completely sure, sir. Okay. Normally we see this one actually. Okay. Which user, okay, which users, okay, and when they logged in, okay, and if they are idle, okay, how much time, how long they are idle, okay.
Okay, sir.
One just question not related to this, Venkat. Actually, Venkat, we have host name for all the machines, but when we are trying to log in with the host name, we are not able to log in, but IP addresses we are using. Just,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I thought, yeah. Why is it so? Because we have host name, yes, now.
Okay. Okay. So for that, okay, I will do this, sir. Okay. Let's not disturb the class, but at the end of the class, okay, I will add that point in the lab setup document. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. Thank
I will
you.
add that point in the lab setup document because that is also very important for us. Okay. See, for me, if I say, okay, okay, play.hadoop.com, okay, no.
Correct. Yes, this is the error.
Okay, it's working for me. Yes or no? But for you, it is not working. Correct?
Yes, for us not working. Correct. Yes.
Okay. Yes. There are a few steps which you need to perform. Okay. So I thought to add that in the last batch, but okay, I will add right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But actually, the same thing. Okay, I have shown. Okay, in a different file actually. But however, I'll show that in this one itself, in the lab setup itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sure.
Otherwise, okay, that will come in the tomorrow's class, sir. That's also fine, actually.
No problem. No problem. Yeah, thank you.
Fine. Now, okay. So the next command is okay. Okay. So as I told you earlier, okay. So at times, okay, we may not be having information like okay, the prompt will not be like this actually. Okay. So here, okay. So just okay, you will see only $. The prompt will be only $. When your prompt is only $, how will you understand okay, which user okay you logged in as, which machine you are working as, what is your current directory? Okay. So W means okay, will tell you all the users. But if I say who am I, it will show which user is logged in here. Understand? Yes. Understand or any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to, I can show you that.
Venkat, what it will show after sudo? It will show like if user is there and he is doing sudo and after that he is attempting who am I, it will show what username it will show that time.
I'll show you, sir. Okay. How you see, sir? Okay. How is your prompt showing? Is it showing anything?
Only $.
Okay, only dollar it is showing. Okay, in this scenario, how will you understand? Okay, which user I'm using? Who am I? It will show you Venkata user. Understand? Huh? Or who is that making a lot of noise? Please be on mute. Tagore, sir. Now it is like this actually. In real time, okay, some of the people, okay, to be safer side, okay, they show the prompt like this. In this scenario, you want to say which user I logged in, you type who am I. This will tell you Venkata. Okay, you type host name. It will show you save.hadoop.com. Okay, so you tell me present working directory. This is your present working directory. Understand or any questions?
Understand.
Okay, so tomorrow, okay, in real time, okay, at times, okay, they will show only this prompt. In that scenario, so you will have to use these commands and to understand, okay, which user logged in, okay, what is the host name, okay, what is the present working directory and all. Clear? Now I will comment this one. I'll uncomment this one. Then I will close this one. I'll log in as Venkata again. Again, I can now. If it is like this, then it is easy to understand. Correct or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine, yes, okay. So the next step, next thing, who am I?
Venkat, can you do sudo once and try who am I? What it will do then in that case? Sudo su and then just yeah.
And go to root.
Auto, okay.
Yeah, it will log in as a root user, right?
Okay, it will show user as root. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Then okay, who am I? I explained. W means display who is online, who logged into this machine. Who am I means okay, display who logged in. I mean, okay, with who you are logged in as. Okay, it means okay, what is the username? Okay, you logged in actually. Okay, understand? Okay, after that, okay, then ps-ef. Yes, again, okay, this is okay similar to okay, so top command also, but okay, so this is not top command exactly. You cannot okay mostly. I mean, I guess you can start also this one. Okay, but okay, so you want to see the complete list. Okay, top command means okay, it is a live report. It will show. Okay, but I want to see the complete okay, PS report. Okay, PS7 process list. Okay, so here okay, the equivalent command is ps-ef, which is equivalent to task manager process. Again, this is a top command. Okay, so this is live report. Okay, this is okay. So okay, okay, batch report. Live report means okay. So if I say top, okay, so let us take this one. Top. It will keep on running until you press Ctrl+C. It will show live report. Yes or no? Okay. So is it changing or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But okay, if you see ps-ef, it will print and it will give you the next tree. That's it. No change and all. It's not a live report. Print report. Okay. Not live. Understood.
Sir, what -e is doing and -f?
Okay. So actually, see here. Okay, if you see, yes, it will show you process list. It will show you process list. Okay. These are the processes which are started by you, but I want to show all the processes, all the user process. Okay. Everything, all the list of process. Okay. See, only if you say PS, it will show all the process started by you. Okay. PS-ef means all the process, but okay, you want to see. Okay. So what is the okay? So command also. What command they use to start this process? Okay, and okay, from what time it is running? Okay, so and you want to see this? Okay, start time. Okay, all this information. Got it?
Yes, sir.
okay, see, any command can be used with some options case. So if you want to know what is the meaning for E and what is the meaning for F, okay, what are the different other options we have for this one? Okay, just say, okay, man, yes. Okay, okay, help. Yes, I can help. Yes.
PS -help. Yes, PS -help.
Yes, -help. Okay. Understand. PS -help. Okay.
So man PS will also show everything.
Yes, sir. Okay. Man PS okay means manual. Manual of PS command. Okay. Manual of PS command. Okay. This will show you. Okay. So here you have okay. So see here every process. -E means every process on the system. Okay. EF. Okay. ELY. Okay. Like this. Okay. Here what is E? Select all the process. Okay. F. What is F? What is the meaning of F? What is F? EF, right? -F. See here, what is -F? Do full format listing. This option can be combined with many other listed options to add additional columns. It also causes the command argument to be printed. When used with -L, okay, the number of threads, okay, and okay, thread ID will be added. Understood? -FL. Control C, okay, okay. Q, you will click from here. PS-EF-L, okay. Then it is adding even in the extra column also. So they told right, okay. LW, NW, LP. So you have different options case, okay, you can use. But end of the day, PS command is the command which you use to see to list all the process running in the server. Okay. The uname -A. Okay. So what is this uname?
So kernel version, host name.
User.
Kernel version. Okay. So what is the host name? What is the type of OS, Linux OS, kernel version here. Okay. The same thing in Windows. Maybe this PC properties. Yes or no? Can I use this one, guys? Device information, device specifications. Okay. My PC properties. This PC properties. Okay, this is uname-A. Okay, then okay, CPU information, proc CPU information. How many CPUs we have in this? Okay, so at proc CPU info. Okay, this will show you total how many CPUs you have. Okay, how many CPUs you have? Processor 0. Okay, for each core you will have one processor, processor 1 and processor 2. Total 3 processors I have. Okay, 3 cores I have. That's what is the meaning. But if I want to see the same information, you can see, okay, so for task manager performance CPU. Okay, here you can see how many large scale processors we have. Okay, understand? So here, what is the equivalent command? Okay, proc CPU info, which is nothing but okay, performance CPU. Understood? CPU info. Okay, then memory info. Okay, so mem info, which is equivalent one is process memory. Okay, so here, okay, if you click on memory, this will show you what is total memory available, what is used, okay, what is available, all this information. Okay, how many slots are used? Okay, 2 out of 2. 2 slots are there. Okay, both the slots are used. And okay, this is the speed of the RAM. All this information can be shown here. Okay, so the same information. Okay, if you want to see here, mem info. So it is showing that okay, total 10 GB we have given. Okay, free is okay, 9.5 GB nearly. okay, available is this one. This is the memory information for this server, for this VM. Understood? Understood or any questions? Okay. This is the memory information. After that, what else? Okay, then, load average. Okay. Load average. Load average. This will show you current load, 1 minute backload, 10 minutes backload. Okay. So this is the load average. Come on. Which is nothing but okay. So here load average is nothing but CPU. This is the information. CPU graph. Personal utilization.
So load will show the uptime comments the same.
Huh?
Uptime comment also it will show the load.
Utilization, yes, sir. Understood. Okay. So all these commands, okay, so this is easy for us to understand, okay, how much load we have, how much RAM we have, how much what to say, disk we have, all this information. But okay, getting this information from Linux, you need to use commands. Okay. So after that, okay, what you have? Load average. Okay, so mem info. Okay, you can see the network info, right? Disk info, right? Disk stats. Okay, so this will tell you okay how many disks we have. SDA, SDB, SDC, SDD. Okay, so these are the disk stats. Okay, disk stats. Okay, this is like a performance disk. Task manager disk. Okay, this is the disk one. Okay, active time. Okay, so you can see everything here. Disk. Understood. This is the disk stat. Okay, in the same way, we have network stat also. So this is network statistics. Network statistics, is it the one? Okay. Okay. Netstat is a command I know, but okay, so yes. However, you can see the netstat. Network. Okay, so this is the netstat command. Okay. Apart from that, okay, so you will see df-h. So df-h disk free. Okay, disk free means okay. So what you will do? Explorer. Okay, so okay, this will okay, this will tell you what is free space. Okay, so 147 GB free space, 332 GB free space, 831 GB free space. Okay, so this is a Windows Explorer. Okay, this is disk free. Okay, du-h. This is okay. Free space. Okay. This is okay. Okay. Windows Explorer user space. User space. Okay. What do you have user space? Okay. So 237, 147. Okay. So user is around 90 GB. Na? Around 90 GB is used. Okay. Like this actually. Okay. So this information you can see from here. You can see right click on this one. Okay. Properties. You can see user space and free space. Okay. So here, okay. Disk, right click properties. You can see this information. Okay. How much is free, how much is used, this information you can see from here. Okay. df-h. Okay, after that, okay, what you have? Okay. Free. Okay. How much free memory we have? Okay, when I say free memory, free means okay, how much free memory we have. Okay. When it's a free, it will show you what is the total memory available here. So if I say free-g. Okay, this will show you total. Okay, 9 GB available, 9 GB available. Free is almost 9 GB. This is showing in round figures case. Okay, otherwise, if you want to see in bytes, okay, you can see like this actually. Okay.
Which memory is it showing, Venkat? I didn't get this point.
Your system memory, sir.
Okay, okay. It means RAM?
Yes.
Okay,
Your
okay,
VM
sure.
RAM. Your VM RAM. Okay, -M. Okay, 9837. So we gave 10 GB, but why it is showing 9837? Because okay, some of the RAM content also used for metadata. Okay, so I will explain that in the later stage, but yes. So this is in MBs. MBs. Got it.
Sir, we can use it in human readable format, free minus.
Free, yes. -M means in MBs. Yeah, MH. Free -H. Now you can see human readable format. Total 9.6 GB is available. Okay, use this to 224 MB and 9 MB. You see, -H means human readable. Available is 9.2 GB. Got it? Are any questions?
So DH command is used to show hard disk memory.
Sorry?
RAM memory, right? DH command.
PS command, na?
Yeah, DH.
Yes. No command, sir. DF is there.
No, not SL. Yeah.
DF, -H. Okay, this will tell you.
DU, sir. DU is a disk usage.
This is disk free. How much free space is available? Okay, -U. Okay, -U. It should give the one. So it is showing okay each file. Okay, how much storage is available? How much it has taken each file?
No,
Okay, so
what you gave this time for path, individual path, Venkat? Like earlier you gave DU-H, yes?
Means okay, so it will show the current
Okay.
directory path. Current path utilization. Understood? Okay. Then okay, here I have explained okay. LSOF. Okay. List of open files. What is this LSOF is? LSOF. Okay. If you are running okay, OS means okay, definitely there will be some files accessed by files and libraries will be loaded into memory, right? So these are the files and okay, libraries. Okay, libraries when is loaded by your root user or okay, your user or any user actually. Okay, but okay, these are the files and okay. So this Venkata. Okay, so if Venkata login, okay, Venkata is accessing all these files. Okay. So root, okay, these are the files accessed by root user. It means okay, LSOF means list of open files by any user. Okay, LSOF-U Venkata. Okay, then it will show me all the files opened by me. Okay, so Venkata is using these files. This may be binaries, libraries, anything. Understood? Understood, guys. So Venkata is using these open files at this moment. Okay. So that is about LSOF. Okay, list of open files. And okay, which okay, let's say now you're running a command, guys, ls. Okay, ls means it is showing some output. Okay, when you type ls command, okay, from where this ls command is working? Okay. Which ls? Okay, so ls is coming from user bin ls. Okay, so this command is available under user bin. Okay, so this command is getting executed when you type ls. Okay, ll, which ll? Which ll? Okay, again a user bin ls command only it is working. Okay, so this is the alias ll. For ll, okay, ls-l. Understand? ls-l. Okay, ll means like ls-l. Okay, understood? For ls, okay, just only ls. Okay, color auto. Okay, it means okay, why color is auto? Because okay, for shortcuts this color, okay, for directories this color, automatically it is coming. Got it? If I say color none, then okay, everything will be the black color only. Shortcuts will not have different color, or okay, or directories will not have different color. Got it, guys? Okay, so you are using some command and you want to know okay, from where you are using this command. Okay, you can use which. Okay, which and okay, give the command name. Which and give the command name. Okay, that will give you, okay, from where you are using this command. Understood this? Or any questions?
Sir, all commands will be inside, all Linux commands will be inside a bin folder.
Yes, sir. User bin mostly. User bin or S bin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these are some admin related, system related commands, guys. Okay, then compression related commands. Okay, so normally if you want to compress a file, what you will do? Okay, let's say this is the file I want to compress. So right click, okay, and again you will say add to archive. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, you will do. Okay, so now you have a compressed file. Yes or no? Okay, but if you want uncompressed, you can right click on this one, show more option. Okay, so here extract here or okay, extract. Okay, so these are the options okay, we will use okay, to compress and uncompress the files in Windows. Okay, but in case of Linux, what commands you will use? In case of Linux, okay, tar is a command. Okay, so cf. Okay, it means it will create a tar file. If you want to create a tar file, you can use tar cf. Okay, you want to extract create a new tar file. Okay, you will use tar cf. Okay, if you want to extract, okay, you will use xf. Okay, so you want to create a tar file with some compression. You want to use, okay, you want to compress and okay, add to zip file. Okay, then you can use czf. Czf means gzip compression. xzf, okay, gzip compression. Okay, cjef. Okay, this is with bzip2. Okay, these are different algorithms, guys. Okay, compression algorithms, which I'll be covering in the later stages. Okay, so these are the commands okay, which you will use okay, to compress, okay, or okay, uncompress the files, okay, zip or unzip the files. Okay, understand this. And the next one is network related commands. Okay, so I want to check. Okay, let's say okay, I want to check okay, whether the system is running or not. I know the IP address of a machine. Okay, IP address of the server. Okay, or okay, host name of the server or host name of the machine or host name of the website or IP address of the website. If I want to check whether it is working or not, what command I will use? Google. So I'm getting reply means okay, it is pinging. Okay, it is working. Ping is a command to check whether the
Venkat, we couldn't see your screen. Not sure whether I am the only one or.
Yes, can you see my screen or is there any problem?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir, we can see.
We are.
Suddenly it, okay, yeah, let me reconnect that.
Yeah, reconnect, sir. Okay. So ping is a command to check, okay, whether okay, the service or server or a IP address or host name is pinging or not. Okay. So and again, okay, so if you just say ping, okay, it will continuously pinging. If you want to come out of this one, press Control C. You will come out. Okay. Or if you want to ping only 4 times, okay, -C 4. It will ping, count 4 times, and it will come out. Quit. Understand? Okay. Okay, then okay, what is the command? ns lookup. Okay. So now, guys, okay, you know the host name. Okay, you know slave.hadoop.com. ns lookup. Okay, slave.hadoop.com. Okay, you know the host name, but you don't know IP address. I want to find the IP address. Okay, then okay, you can use ns lookup. Okay, you know the host name. Okay, you know the IP address. ns lookup 100.168.56.200. Okay, but you don't know what is the host name for this one. Okay, you can type. Okay, but here why this command is not working? It is saying server can't find and all, okay, because we are not using DNS. Okay, if you use DNS, this is a DNS command. ns lookup is a DNS command. So if you know IP address, if you want to know the host name, you can use ns lookup IP address. Or you know the host name, you don't know IP address. If you want to know IP address, okay, so then you will say ns lookup and host name. Got it? Got it or any questions? Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Got
Next
it,
is
sorry.
netstat command. When I say netstat, okay, this will tell you, okay, how many connections are made to my system. Okay. So here, okay, so there are okay, these are the connections okay established. Okay, but okay, if you say sudo netstat -ulpn, this will give you proper information. Okay, whether this will tell you whether who and all can access my service actually. Okay, so here okay, these are the port numbers okay, which are listening, and okay, people can access this 111 port, okay, 80 port, 22 port, 443 port. Okay, these are the ports okay, which are in listen state. People can use it. Understand? Okay.
What it will do, Venkat? I didn't get this. Tell the last one.
No, sir. Okay. See, now okay, I want to understand. Okay, let's say I started name node service, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I started name node service. Okay. How will I check okay, whether name node service okay is allowing data node services to connect or not?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, got it.
Then
Yeah.
I will use netstat command so that it will tell you okay whether I'm listening or not. If the status is listening, then okay they are connecting to name node. Otherwise,
so
no.
this command we will execute in name node in that case.
Name node machine. Yes.
Okay. Got it. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Sir, there is something called open port. You know, open port.
You need to open the ports actually. So that open port and all is I mean okay. Those things will come when you enable the firewall, sir. Got it.
Okay.
When you enable the firewall, those things will come. Okay. So next. Okay. Telnet. Okay. So telnet. Okay. Telnet, and you do the server name and okay. So I want to see. Okay. So this is using netstat. Okay. You can see whether name node is listening on in name node machine. Okay. But I want to check whether name node is listening or not from data node machine. Okay, I will say telnet, okay, name node IP, okay, and name node port number. I will execute this in the data node actually. Okay, it will go and connect okay, name node IP and name node port number and tell you whether it is listening or not. Okay, so here okay, telnet, you take this one, okay. What the IP address? Okay, telnet, okay, current IP address, okay. Slave dot. Okay, so 192.168.56.200. Port number is 111. Is it listening? Connected. Yes or no? Because okay, it is listening. Okay. If I try to connect to so one okay, 4 ones, what it is saying? 4 ones is listening here. 4 ones are not there. Only 3 ones is listening. 3 ones it is listening. Okay. But okay, 4 ones is not there. First of all, 4 ones no service is running. Okay, I will check 323. Here, okay, 323 service is up and running, but okay, is it listening? Got it? Huh?
Oh, it starts.
Yeah. So wherever you see listening, only those ports okay, will okay. You can connect to those things. Okay, you cannot connect to others. Clear? Or any questions? Okay, so that is about okay telnet. Okay, and if you want to download a file from internet, you will use wget. Wget is a command. Wget and give the URL here. Okay, your URL. If you want to download something, give the full path of that file from internet path, full path of internet, full internet path of that file. Here it will download from internet. But okay, to work with the wget, you should have internet access to your virtual machine or your server. Then only wget will work. Otherwise, no. Got it? Or any questions? Okay. So I guess okay, these are the common commands. Okay. So again, okay, here okay, we have some more commands. Okay. So these are the shortcuts. Okay. So guys, okay, if you are running a command, okay, that is okay that is in hung state, okay, or it is continuously progressing. You want to quit that command, you press Control C. Okay, Control C. Okay. So okay, you can use Control Z also. Okay, stop the current command and resume with. You can use Control Z. Okay, and Control D. Okay. See now, okay, I'm in this machine, guys. I'm this machine. I want to close this session. What I can do? I can close putty. Yes or no? Instead of putty, if I press Control D, yes, it is closed. Okay. So if I just press Control D, it is closed. Session is closed. Okay. So Control D, Control W. Press one word in the current line. Okay. So let's say I'm typing okay something here. Okay. I'm typing. Okay. I want to erase one word, full word. Normally, what you will do, you will run like this actually. But okay, it's waste of time, right? Control W. It will erase the full word. Control W. Control W. Okay. Control U. Okay. So erase whole line. Control U. Full line will be erased. Okay. Control R. Okay. Control R. Okay. Okay. Now you search. Okay. If you want to see the previous commands. Okay. So ls. Which ls? Ls means okay. Which ls command I executed. Okay. If you want, instead of typing the command, okay, again, okay, you can search with Control R and you can type okay 1 or 2 letters of the command, then it will show you the previous commands. Or okay, if you want to see the history of okay, history of complete commands what you executed, okay, you can type history. Okay, so these are the commands okay you executed, guys. Okay, whatever command you execute on the Linux machine or virtual machine, okay, everything will be recorded in the backend. So please be very careful. Understood? You cannot say that okay, I did not execute this command. Clear? Are any questions? Okay. So then fetch. Okay, I want to set some data actually. Okay, so let's say I have a file here. Okay, let's say this is the file. Inside this one, okay. Okay. Grep. Okay. What to grep?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so many users should be connected to that IP ID, na? So we cannot check na, which user has have been used that command or not.
Sir, okay, when you
The
type
history,
it will show your commands. Okay. When I say history of okay SDP user, it will show only 2 commands. Yes or no?
oh, okay.
History of Venkata, history of okay SDP user, history of James. Not all are commands. Venkata has executed so many commands. Okay, James executed 8 commands. Okay, SDP has executed only 2 commands. Got it?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so history of the current user, sir. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now, okay. So grep is a command which will extract okay, a word, okay, okay, string from a file actually. Okay, grep, what to grep? Okay, grep, okay, file. Which file? 1.txt. You don't have high? Okay. So grep -i inside the file. No? Finish this one. It will print, okay. Extract all the lines, okay, starting, okay, which has hello. Okay. I want to extract again Hadoop. It will print all the lines which contain a word Hadoop. There are 2 lines which contain a word Hadoop. Understood? Understood? Are any questions? Tell me, guys. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir,
this
understood.
is about okay. This is about okay. So if you use -i, it means you are extracting this word. Okay, you are extracting all the okay all the lines which are matching this keyword in this sample1.txt. Okay, but okay, here okay, I can do the same thing in a different way also. And sample1.txt. Okay, here pipe. Okay, grep Hadoop. This is also same command, right? It is also doing the same thing. Okay, here, see here, okay, what are you doing? Okay, without opening the file, okay, you are grepping the data. But here, you are printing the file first. Okay, from that print, from this data, you are extracting only Hadoop lines. Both outputs are same here. Both outputs are same. But okay, so this will take less time. This will take more time because it is executing 2 commands. But here it is executing only 1 command. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So the grep. Okay. Arc, I want to grep. Okay. So here, okay. LL. Okay. I'm printing all those things. Okay. I want to grep only the lines which contain sample. Okay. LL grep sample. Okay, it will grep all the lines which matches sample. So it is not printing test directory and it is not printing passwords. It is printing only sample, sample, sample. Wherever you see sample. So in this output, okay, wherever I see sample, okay, only those things are coming here. Yes or no? Okay, find. Okay. When I say find, okay, so find is nothing but a search. Okay, Find is nothing but kind of search here. Okay, so here, okay, so find alc.exe. Okay, I want to find this one. Okay, so it is setting in this D drive. Okay, so here, okay, it is setting in this D drive. Okay, the same like if you want to find, okay, so find and give the path. If you give, okay, here it will set in the first. Okay. If you do MNT disk 1, it will set in second hard disk. Disk 2, second hard disk. Okay, you can give any path. If you give, okay, as etc, it will set inside the etc directory. Okay, you should give the path. And you should give the name. Okay, hyphen name. Okay, so what to say? NTP. So okay, sudo find. Okay, there are 3 files. Okay, inside it is etc. There are 3 files which are having NTP. Okay, so here NTP. These are the 3 files which are where the name is NTP. Understood? Understood? Okay. This is find command, guys. This is find command. Okay. So we have one more command, which is locate. Okay, when I say locate command, okay, so normally what it will do, okay, what Linux will do, every day, whatever the files it has, it will maintain in a okay, it will take a report and save it in a file base. Okay, so find, okay, so every day, what it will do, whatever the files it has on the disk, it will take a report of those files and it will put in a file. Okay, so sudo update db. This is the locate database. It will put in the locate database. Okay. Now if we say locate, sample 1. Okay, is it showing sample 1.txt? Okay, but now after updating db, okay, let's say I'm creating, okay, so type sample 4.txt. I created sample 4.txt. When I say locate sample 4, is it working? Yes, one second.
Why it is not working, Venkat, this time? We touched yes. Hello.
Yeah, sorry, guys, sorry. So my kid is started going to school. Okay, from 1 week. So
Okay, sir.
his school starts by 9 o'clock. So every day he will cry.
No problem, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So he is coming to me that no, I don't want to go to school. No, you have to go to school. Okay. No car.
Sir, after touch, I think so we have to use sudo update db, then we can locate it.
What sudo update db will do here?
Yeah, sorry guys. Okay. So here, okay, so now, okay, let's say this locate database updated at night 12 o'clock. Things like this. Okay. After 12 o'clock, I created a file. Okay, sample4.txt. Okay. So this new file information is updated in the DB or not?
No, sir.
That is the reason, okay, when I say locate, okay, it is not showing. Okay. But let's say manually let us update the DB. Now you say locate sample4, it is showing now. Correct or not? Okay. So here, okay, look, okay, see, find also finding a file. Okay, locate also finding a file. But okay, find is finding a file, it is live file. Okay, what do you mean live? It is a live search. Okay, it means, okay, the latest search. But okay, locate is on the report. It is searching in the report. Okay, or locate DB. Okay, not okay live search actually. So if the entry is updated in the DB, then only locate will show it. Otherwise, the locate will not show it. Understand? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the difference between locate and find. Okay. But locate is fast because it is not checking the actual list. It is taking the data from database, locate database. That is the reason it is fast. But find is doing the actual search, live search. Got it. Okay. So the last one is last one in our list is set command. Okay, what is the set command? Set command is the one which will find and replace words actually. Okay. So let's say so add sample1.txt. This is the one. Wherever you see how, wherever you see how, so I want to replace it. Okay. Set -i inside the file. Which file? Okay. Sample1.txt. What to replace? Okay. So here from starting to ending. Okay. From starting to ending. Okay. What to replace? How? Want to replace how with what? Okay. How? Double W. Okay. So now you cat here wherever you see how it is coming like two times. Yes or no? Okay. So this is how you can update. Okay, you can find and replace some text in a file. Okay. So this is not only for a file. Okay. So I can use this with the what to say, with a command output also. So let's say I want to see sample1.txt ll. Okay. Grab sample. Okay. Grab sample. Then it is grabbing only the lines matching with sample. Okay. Okay. Set. Okay. Sample with file. You know what is the output here? The LL output is this one. Okay. So what grep is doing? Grep is filtering only sample lines. Okay. And set is doing wherever sample is there, it is replacing with file. Okay. Now this is the output. Understood? Understood or any questions?
Sir, that means the name of the file has been changed.
Not changed actually, but okay, it is we are seeing like it is changed. Okay. But if you say LL, if it is LL, it is the same thing, right? Sir, okay, I want to print like this. Okay, wherever you have sample, I want to replace the sample word with file. Understood? It is not originally replacing. Output is replaced. You got my point?
So sir, it is in real time also when in a file also it is not replacing. Here
Sir,
it is changing only output.
Okay, see here so this is changing only the output. But if you use on file, so when you use pipe with set then it will change the output. Okay, but not original. Okay, but if you use set like this on the file directly, okay, then it will replace permanently. Understood?
Okay, got it, yeah.
When you use -i, then it is a permanent. Okay, when you use with here when you use with the pipe, okay, it is changing the previous command output. That's it. Not the permanent one. Got it?
Got it, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So so these are the commonly used Linux commands. What we have.
Sir, do we have this PPT in the
Yes, sir. Okay. So I copied the same PPT in the Google Drive. You can download from there. Hadoop admin training 3.9.pdf. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Download it. You can download from there. The same PDF. You can download from there. Clear? Are any questions?
Sir.
Okay. So, sir.
Sir, can you type the cat command for text1.txt? Text1. Can I?
It is printing out content, right?
Same sample1.txt. Okay, sir. Sir, not cat sample1.txt. Text1.txt. Cat. Text1.txt. Text1.txt.
We don't have that file, right?
Okay.
Where is text1?
Sir, we change the file as
file.
Sir,
that is only output.
output. Okay, sir.
I want to change my output, okay, in a different way.
Okay, sir.
Yes, okay. You can
I
pass
think
your output as an input as to send.
okay, sir. It's as a mirror image like that.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, can you use df-h?
Yep.
df.
Yes, sir, why not? Yes.
Sir, sir, here it's showing SDD, SDB, SDC. Okay, sir,
Yes.
in our test cluster, but it's not there any SDD, SDB, SDC. It's having mapper. Sir, what is this mapper?
Sorry.
Sir, in our test cluster, in our office test cluster, it's not having SDD, SDB, SDC. It's having only dev mapper sent OS, dev mapper sent OS home. So that means the drive is not present in
Drive
that
is not
test.
there, sir. For you, drive is not there. Dev mapper, this is one you are saying, correct?
Yes, sir. And
okay.
TMPFS, those.
Okay. Yeah. So it means okay, you don't have second, third, fourth hard disk. You have only one disk in your laptop, in your server.
Okay. Sir, then what is a TMPFS?
Temp file system, sir. Okay, so actually, you know what it will do. Okay, whenever you are installing OS, automatically it will convert your hard disk into multiple partitions, guys. Understand? Okay, so boot, okay, separate partition. Okay, so temp fs, okay, is a separate partition. Okay, you got it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But don't worry, don't think too much about this one, because okay, so all these are getting created automatically by Linux installation.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, okay. So from yesterday, it means almost okay, we spent 2 days time on the Linux commands. Okay, on the Linux commands. Okay, so please practice. Okay, I will share today's video in the group. Okay, very important video. Okay, I will share today's video. Please go through it. Okay. And okay, please let me know if anybody's name is not in group. Okay, I will add it to you to the group. Okay. And one more thing, okay, please practice all the Linux commands. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, I will show you how to install Hadoop. Okay. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Okay.